Hey guys, Phoenix here, back with another crypto update. And today's session is highly dedicated for trading strategies. So, this session is actually gonna be long than previous one, and it's actually divided into two parts. The first part will have a look on XBT price action and expected price range in first few days. And second part we will discuss mostly about the strategy. And if you are very much new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel, and if you are not in a Telegram group or channel, please check out the link in the description. Before starting with the technical analysis, disclaimer are pretty much clear. It's not a financial advice. Please do your own research before going for any live trades. Alright, saying this, in the previous video we have discussed XBT is making actually some sort of expanding diagonal pattern. So such I want to discuss much more about this pattern and where it appears in the Elliott wave trading. So basically this sort of patterns appear in wave phi or wave C as per the Elliott wave rule. So let's just check out some of the theory of the Elliott wave, and I have done research for you guys. So I just post this pattern, this sort of pattern in my Telegram group, and I just gave a long call when XBT was at 5300 because I was expecting a final move up from the XBT, and further retracement is expected right now. So if you have traded right from 5300 up to 5500, it's possibly the gain should be like some sort of 4% or 5%. Yeah, some sort of 4 to 5%. And if you have leveraged 10 times, so that can be a 50% of gain. So that was one of my trade which I mentioned in the group. And right now what I'm thinking is to add more short, because look at the theory what it says. All right, so I can't find right now. If you look at this figure, it's pretty much clear that after expanding diagonal pattern or triangle, you can say, or expanding diagonal triangle, after the wave 5 we have some sort of retracement. So what do you think, guys? Adding longs right now is a good option, or adding some short right now is a good option? Because what I personally think that if we add short from this range up to this previous low, I don't say this previous low, I'm saying this previous low. If you target, that's gain almost 14%, and if you have 10 times leverage, it would be around like 140%, and you should add your stop loss right about 6100. Basically, if you are very much confident about further move down and retesting of 4k range, you should rather go and ladder most of your position like up to 6400 range. But I don't think so. For time being, we're gonna close above this 6100 range. It's very much difficult as XBT test this range thrice, not twice, also more than thrice. Just 1 2 3 times, more than 3 times. The XBT has tested the support line, which now appears to be a resistance line. So yeah, I am pretty much bearish right now, and I would suggest, like, it's not a financial advice, but it's better to add short than long. There is possible chance we can have overthrow, which happens usually like this, and again a fall back into the pattern. So this will actually confirm that this move was invalidated, and most of the short seller will, you know and the bearish pressure will increase from this range if this price have overthrow and fall back to this pattern. All right, so let's just look at our strategy, which we have to look look for. I mean, I want to share with you guys. This study is actually very simple, and it's not from any books. It's just my observation, and I like to share my observation with you guys. Alright, so as I said, today we're gonna discuss something about dominance and its significance on altcoin markets, or you can say any other coin. So today I will just cover only one example between the Bitcoin dominance versus the Ethereum BTC and Ethereum USD price. Its significance. What I mean to say, a change in BTC dominance trend and its significant effect on Ethereum price. So we will just have a look at it and we'll find out. And we will find out what's the significance about the dominance on this various altcoins. So rather it will be very interesting session for you guys. So let's just check out and mark the points from where the dominance actually reversed. I mean to say a point from where the dominance was increased significantly or decreased significantly. So let's just mark some of the points. By the way, I'm using this chart.cointraders.pro. So this website actually provides a lot of information for on like various charts for free, and I'm just providing the link in the description. Please go and check out, and you can also test out the strategy for confirmation from your side. All right, so let's just mark some of the points. So this is the point from where the Bitcoin dominance was decreasing. That's yeah, that's on what of 18 of Feb 2017. Do you agree? Yeah. So let's just check the next point. Where is the next point from where the dominance was increased? So this is the point from where that the dominance began to increase. So that's a we can say, yeah, 12th of July 2017, and there was significant rise in this dominance, right? So after that the dominance keeps on decreasing up to, so from this point the dominance keep on decreasing. So this point is 6th of December 2017, and from this point to this point the dominance keeps on decreasing. So that point is Jan of 10, we can say approximately 22 Jan, because there was some sort of sideways in the dominance level. And we will check out this from here to this range. Again the dominance was increasing, so we mark this point. So basically we are just marking some of the points from where the dominance was keep increasing or keep decreasing. All right, so we have marked most of the points right now. So one thing I want to make sure you guys that you can't do any sort of Elliott wave trading in Bitcoin dominance, because that's a rubbish thing to do. You can actually go for pattern trading. Now I can't say that this is not an asset, you can just trade on them, but this give you this minute details and information can actually help you in trading in longer term, or if you are a swing trader it helps you the most of the time. So let's just establish the relationship. I mean to say a correlation between the altcoin and Bitcoin, though Ethereum is not an altcoin, but let's just check out how it reacts. Let's just go at 18th Feb of 2017. So basically I will try to correlate the Ethereum BTC pair and Ethereum USD pair. So that's actually very much interesting for us to find out the relation. All right, so let's just see uh, a period between 18 Feb 2017 and 12 June of 2017. Dominance was to keep on decreasing. So let's check out what Ethereum was doing at that period. That was 18 Feb of 2017. Where is 18 Feb? Let's see 18 Feb. Right here. and second one is June, 12th June. Yeah, 12th June. So yeah, approx this. Yep. Oh my God, look at this. How wonderful. The price is decreasing. Sorry, the dominance is decreasing. The price increasing. So we have established first relation that price decrease. Sorry, dominance decrease, price increase. So let's check out the second point. So that is 6th December 2017. Where is 6th December 2017? Out of, right here. Whoa, what we can see? Dominance is increasing, the price keeps on decreasing. Now let's check out the second point, right? From 6th December 2017 to 22nd Jan 2018. 22nd Jan of 2009. Where is 22nd? Yeah. Whoa. I think so. Things are pretty much getting clear to you guys. As the dominance decreases, the price increases, and as the dominance increases, the price decreases in the Ethereum BTC pair. So I can't say the price right here because it's correlated with the BTC. So we can say a number of satoshis are decreasing, increasing based on the dominance. And let's just check out the final point, right? From 7th May to 10th, this 10th September. 7th May. Where is 7th May? Where is my 7th May? Yeah, right this point. And up to 10th December. Where is 10th December? Whoa, whoa, whoa. So guys, now isn't it fantastic, the correlation between this Ethereum, I mean dominance, and Ethereum BTC pair. Actually, I'm just taking one asset example. We can take any other asset. Right now we are just looking for Ethereum. So what you see from 18th Feb 2017, the dominance keeps on decreasing up to 12th June of 2017, and the price keep on decreasing right from 18 to 12 June, and the gain was, I don't want to say, the gain was so high. That's almost 8 times your investment. If you're a swing trader, you have made most of it in this by using this strategy. So isn't it fantastic, guys? Like, I was, so let's just look at 12th Jan 6 sorry 12th June 2017 up to 6th December 2017. So the price dominance was increasing, price was decreasing. If you are a short trader and you have entered most of your short right here, oh man, look at the gain. That's a 4 times your investment. You have short trading. Let's look from this range, that 6 December 2017 and 27 Jan. Like 6 December and 2, there was increasing the price. So you can see a sort of inverse relation between dominance and Ethereum. I mean, the price action of Ethereum. So I specifically mentioned Ethereum because you have to check out whether it work with other asset or not. Let's just check out for USD pair. So let's just mark some of the points before checking this strategy works or not. Like 18 Feb 2017, where is 18 Feb? That mm, right here, approximately, yeah. So basically I would enter long right at this position, and I would I would exit when the dominance is increasing. So sorry for this one is dominance chart. So at 12 June 2017 I would have exit my long position. So let's check out what have been the price action of Ethereum. 12th June, pretty much this point. Yeah, so isn't that fantastic, guys? Look at this. They do a massive gain, like it's 13 times without knowing any technical analysis or Elliott wave or Fibonacci, any sort of thing. So that is so pretty damn easy stuff for you guys. I don't think so you need any specialized, you know, training or in technical analysis to do such sort of easy thing. So that's a massive win. That is almost 14 times your investment. Let's check out the second. Let me move this Ethereum aside. Okay. So this one is we are dealing with the USD pair, and after June 12 June 2017 up to 6 December 2017. Where is 12 June 2000 up to 6 December? Where is 6 December? Let me mark some. This point. So here we can see not a, I mean the Ethereum was making pretty much a sideways, but not a significant rally like this one. Just after the 6th December 2017, the dominance keep on decreasing, like from 6th December 2017 up to 22nd Jan 2018. Dominance keep on decreasing, and we can see a price move up. And again, the gain was pretty much 200%. So that's not a bad strategy if you don't know anything in the market. So let's look up what was the price action after 22nd Jan up to 4th April. 22nd Jan, I think so pretty much this is 22nd Jan. Up to 22nd of Jan up to 4th April. Up to 4th April. So let me look. Yeah, pretty much there was a downfall in the price, and if you're short of your position right there, pretty much easy 64%. Isn't that fantastic, guys? I mean, when I was trying to establish such relation, I mean, I was trying to correlate dominance and altcoins, and after spending few days on looking what's the relation between dominance and altcoins. I can't say Ethereum is altcoin, but yeah, I have taken Ethereum as an example to illustrate you guys. So pretty much it was an inversely proportional to dominance. So if the dominance is increasing, the price keeps on decreasing. If the dominance keeps on decreasing, the price keeps on increasing. The dominance keep on increasing, the price keeps on decreasing. This was a sideways, because you can't strategy does not work most of the time. I sorry to say this, strategy does not work 100% of the time. There is some sort of backdrop of the strategies. So yeah, this was my one of the strategy which I like to share with you guys. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And I have just started I want to start a VIP channel right from the 7th May. And if you want to learn this type of strategy, you may sign up the Google form, which I just post the Google form. All right, sorry for this. If you want to join my VIP club and access most of strategies like this, you can check the Google form right in the description. You can fill the form, and it's just $25 for a month and $55 for 3 months. Additionally, you will get some sort of buying and selling of asset. I mean, you can say a signal group. So I will try to distribute some of my strategies. I will try to explain, and you can reach me if you have any sort of confusion about this VIP group. And yeah, thank you for your support, guys, and peace.